Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll be making these super adorable chocolate bear macarons. To get started, sift 70 grams of almond flour, 62 grams of icing sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Give it a stir to mix evenly. Set up a double boiler. Add 56 grams of granulated sugar to the stand mixer bowl and 60 grams of egg whites. When the water has boiled, heat this up while stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. You can easily check by rubbing 2 fingers together. Add the whisk attachment and whip the egg white and sugar mixture until you get stiff peaks. Add the meringue to the almond flour, icing sugar, and cocoa powder and start folding together. Along with folding, you should press the spatula against the side of the bowl to knock extra air out. Fold and repeat until it runs off your spatula. Add the batter to a piping bag with a small round tip. Pipe rounds onto a silicone baking mat. This recipe will make 28 shells, so you will get 14 macarons. After you pipe 28, save the rest of the batter for the details. Now bang the pan to knock out extra air bubbles. I use a toothpick to help too. Let them sit for 10 minutes to dry a little before adding the details next. Now get a piping bag with a smaller tip for better control. Add the old piping bag into it, and for half of them we will add the bear faces. Pipe on little ears with a bit of distance between them. Take a heart sprinkle and add it near the bottom in the middle. Now pipe on the nose detail and little arms. When doing the arms, go over the heart a little so they're holding onto it. You can bang the pan again or use a toothpick to help with the air bubbles in the added batter. Let rest for 10 to 20 minutes or until they are no longer wet. Bake one tray at a time. I bake them at 310 Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. We're making a chocolate ganache for the filling. Heat up 50 grams of cream, and when it's simmering, add it to 50 grams of chocolate and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Let it sit for a minute, then add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and stir until combined. Then add 10 grams of softened butter and stir until the butter is melted. Let it sit at room temperature until it's pipeable, or put in the fridge to speed it up. Once the macarons are cooled from the oven, now we can add the final details to the bear's face. I'm using a black edible marker for this. Draw on a little nose and mouth and small eyes. Add the chocolate ganache to a piping bag with a small round tip and fill the macarons. Don't add too much ganache because it will spread out when we put on the top shell. Finally, put the top shell on, pressing a little bit to spread the filling to the edge. They are ready to eat the next day. And that's it! They should be crunchy on the outside and soft and chewy in the middle and have lots of chocolate flavor. These are the perfect treat for Valentine's Day or any time of the year because they're so cute. Use different sprinkles for the bear to hold for other holidays. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching! Bye!